Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Android version and required permissions. Grant accessibility and overlay so the app can draw controls over other apps. This is why it needs those toggles. Once installed, open the app to accept notification access and give battery optimization exceptions so it runs reliably in background. Make sure to sign in if the app requests an account. Otherwise, you can continue with local settings. This initial step prevents permission-related failures later and lets you proceed to now you configure the layout and controls so the panel fits how you use your phone. Tap Layout to set the swipe edge, handle size, and activation area. Try a small area first and expand if accidental opens occur. Add tiles like Wi-Fi, brightness, media, and app shortcuts, then drag to reorder them. This makes frequent actions accessible in one swipe. Once done, choose Theme and Gesture Sensitivity. These visual and tactile settings reduce misswipes and keep the control center intuitive for daily use. Finish by testing the control center across apps and lock screen and validate that shortcuts work reliably. If a gesture fails, make small sensitivity adjustments or move the activation edge to avoid conflicts with system gestures. Make sure to enable a persistent notification if the app keeps stopping. This improves stability. If things still misbehave, regrant accessibility and overlay permissions and exclude the app from battery optimization. This is the single most effective troubleshooting tip to prevent the control center from being killed by the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.